I got my knees and elbows to look from this to this in just 8 weeks. And it is just a simple 3-step routine. Pigmentation on neck, knees, underarms and elbows is so common, but these are the 3 products from Plix that help me so much. First step, exfoliation. Exfoliation helps so much with dryness and pigmentation. Trust me, this pineapple soft and smooth juicy scrub from Plix has helped my skin so much. It has 5% aloe vera, niacinamide, lactic acid, which are great ingredients to help brighten and gently soften the skin. It just rapidly reduces my dryness and sweat, plus gives me a fruity smell. For my second step, I apply the Plix Pineapple Bright Polishing Cream. Now it has 5% niacinamide and scoline that has so helped me reduce my pigmentation and brighten the uneven skin on my neck, elbow and knee. I mean, I literally saw the difference in just 6 weeks of using this cream. For the third and the final step, the underarm sweat, odor and pigmentation is something that irritates all of us, and I'm using the Plix Pineapple Odor Control Underarm Roll-On, which again has 5% lactic acid, mandelic acid and vitamin C that so controls odor and brighten the underarm. You are going to see a difference, and that also in just 6 to 8 weeks. Comment down if you want the link to these.